My name is Jennifer Penrose, and I just wanted to share with you why it would be good to look at your everyday routine as to why it could be causing some neck or shoulder pain. So when you wake up in the morning, you've been in that same position roughly all night, and that's a good time to go ahead and stretch those muscles because likely they are tense and aren't warmed up, and that would be one way to get things moving in your neck and shoulder region. It doesn't have to be long, doesn't need to be complicated. Just a couple minutes of stretching. And then the other thing to look at is if you use a phone or a tablet or a laptop, like many of us do, take a moment to think about your posture, because if your ears are not in line with your shoulders and you're out here or down, that's going to put more tension and stress in your shoulders and neck. So the more you can just follow that rule all day of ears over shoulders, you will significantly decrease the workload on your neck and upper trapezius muscle across the shoulder here, and you will have less pain. So at least live by that rule and you'll do so much better. The other thing is reading at night is just really be aware of your posture in bed. So if you can prop yourself accordingly, again, to keep those ears over your shoulders, and try to limit yourself on small devices, smaller phones, smaller iPads, to 15 minutes and then take a break. So kind of look away, look at something farther, kind of readjust your posture, do some stretching for a minute or so, and then you can go back to it. So try not to keep caving forward into what you are reading. So those are just some daily tip routines to just look at and evaluate to see if that will help you with decreasing your neck or shoulder pain. Thanks.